You'd think some creatures would suffer neck pain far more than others, but in the pain game, we humans simply make things hard for ourselves. We strain our necks while we're working. We slouch when we're relaxing. We even manage to mangle our necks while we're sleeping. The result is stubborn neck, head, and jaw pain that keeps coming back again and again. In the Beyond Trigger Points Connect the Dots system, we use a 5-step protocol to thoroughly treat both acute and chronic myofascial neck and jaw pain. The steps include myofascial spreading, cross-fiber friction, trigger point compression, longitudinal stripping, stretching, and client education to help re-educate the fascia and muscle. In the Beyond Trigger Points Freeing the Neck webinar, you'll learn techniques for treating trigger points in the upper traps, SCM, suboccipitals, and posterior cervicals, plus the muscles involved in jaw pain, including the masseter and temporalis, as well as a key muscle related to TMJ dysfunction, the lateral pterygoid. In this video, prepared by Cathy Cohen, founder of the Beyond Trigger Point System and NCBTMB-approved educator, you'll see how to treat trigger points in the temporalis, followed by an assisted stretch that also benefits the masseter.
Our target muscle now is the temporalis. We'll be doing cross-fiber friction using our bear claw. We'll turn the head slightly so that we can get these posterior fibers which are running this way. So just back and forth across the grain of the muscle. This muscle is shaped like an open fan, so I'm changing the angle of my scrub here. All right, so hopefully you've noted any taut bands in the region, because now we're going to be pulling out our knuckles here and using these 3 knuckles to do a temporalis roll. And we'll begin the same way we did the scrubbing. We'll begin posteriorly here. And all I'm doing, therapist, is just rolling. I'm rolling from this digit to this digit to that. Now, and you might find, if depending upon the coverage that you need to make, that you'll be separating the knuckles some, like that. So here we go. So just press in and slowly roll through. Here we need to ask for feedback, because I'm going to keep rolling unless my client tells me that I'm on a tender spot and or it's referring sensation elsewhere. Yeah? Otherwise, I'm just going to keep rolling here and covering ground. And for this demonstration, I'm just going to just carry through all these strokes. Press and hold, press and hold. Yeah? Now we'll do a combination stretch for both the temporalis and the masseter muscle. Slightly rotating their head, and I like to pull the head towel here so that they can comfortably insert one knuckle, and that will hold their jaw open and in that stretch position. Therapists, let's secure one end here of the temporalis. One end here, I'm pulling up. I'm pulling the fabric taut. Now I'm going to sink in, start to pick up the slack, and using my finger pads here, I'm going to stretch through the temporalis. I'm going to jump over the TMJ, no pressure on the TMJ joint. And now here I am underneath the cheekbone here, and then slowly just continue that stretch over the masseter muscle and ending by its attachment here along the chin. It's important that, thank you, Thomas, it's important that we treat the TMJ muscles equally. So right away, I'm going to repeat and do the other side.
In the Freeing the Neck hands-on 8 CEU webinar, you'll get practice locating trigger points in the neck, head, and jaw, and you'll learn how to apply the connect-the-dot system to thoroughly treat key muscles in the jaw, the upper traps, SCM, suboccipitals, and posterior cervicals. You'll have a front row seat for all the demos, and you'll receive a free set of follow-up review videos. You'll find full details on this NCBTMB-approved webinar at the link found below. Attendance is limited, so please enroll soon.